two birds of a feather. Say
Who do you
that
not
they're
think you are doing that to someone?
always gonna stay together.
Sorry.
But once, never going
Hal said he wanted
to let go
Are you?
of that wire. He
He
says
He said you wanted to.
that he will. But he's just a liar.